Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to make money using WordPress. Whether you're just starting a blog, building a niche site, or looking to monetize your traffic, I'll show you exactly how to earn using Adsterra. Let's jump right in. If you're new here, I highly recommend checking out our previous video where we covered the essential setup for your WordPress site. This foundational setup will make it easier for you to follow along with today's tutorial. You can find the link to that video in the description below. To start this video, first, sign in to your Adsterra account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the website section where you'll see a list of the sites you've connected to Adsterra. Locate the website you want to use for displaying ads. Next, click on the Add Unite button next to your chosen website. This will reveal the ad code you need to integrate into your WordPress site. Copy this code to your clipboard. This is what we'll use to display Adsterra ads on your site. Now, let's integrate your Adsterra ads into your WordPress site. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Settings. From there, select Add Inserter. In Add Inserter, click and Add New Block. Here, you'll paste the Adsterra ad code you received earlier. Next, choose where you want your ad to appear. You can select specific pages or posts where the ad will be displayed. This helps ensure your ads are shown in the most effective places on your site. Don't forget to set the insert position for your ad code. You can choose options like before the content, after the content, or within specific sections of your posts or pages. This ensures your ad displays exactly where you want it to. Finally, make sure to click Save Settings to apply your changes. Let's head over to your blog posts. You can do this by navigating to Posts and selecting the post where you want to add your ads. Select the specific word, phrase, or image in your post where you want the Adsterra ad to appear. Navigate to your ad campaign and copy the direct link provided for the ad you want to use. Paste the copied Adsterra link into the selected text or image in your WordPress editor. You can include multiple ads within a single post if desired, allowing you to strategically place ads in various sections of your content to maximize visibility and revenue potential. Once you've updated your post and published it, every time a visitor clicks on the links, they'll be directed to Adsterra's ad pages. This means more exposure for the ads and, consequently, increased revenue for you. By optimizing your content and strategically placing ads, you'll enhance user engagement and boost your earnings on Adsterra. This platform is incredibly valuable not only for beginners and those just starting out, but also for high-traffic websites looking to maximize their earnings. Adsterra offers flexible solutions that cater to all levels of experience and traffic volumes, making it a great choice for anyone aiming to monetize their site effectively. Adsterra offers a diverse range of ad formats to help you maximize your revenue, no matter what kind of website you have. From traditional display banners and engaging native ads to more dynamic options like pop-unders and full-page interstitials, Adsterra provides a variety of choices to suit your needs. Each ad type is designed to capture attention and drive conversions, allowing you to tailor your monetization strategy based on your audience and website performance. By experimenting with different ad formats, you can find the perfect combination that delivers the best results for your site. If you don't have a website to place ads on, don't worry. Adsterra offers a fantastic alternative with their direct link ads. These ads allow you to monetize your social media traffic and other online channels effectively. By using Adsterra's direct link ads, you can still generate significant income and leverage your social media presence for revenue. It's a great way to start earning even if you're not running a website. Don't miss out on this chance to start earning. Check out the sign-up link in the description below and get started today. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.